In the last video, we learned what a sentence is and its two main parts, subject and predicate. Now let's dive into the 8 essential building blocks of English, which are known as the parts of speech. Every word in a sentence has a job to do. Just like people have different roles in a team, words also play different roles in a sentence. Based on the role a word plays, it is grouped into a specific category. These categories are called parts of speech. There are 8 main parts of speech in English, and each one helps the sentence make sense. They are noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Understanding these parts of speech will help us write and speak better. Today, we're going to understand what a noun is. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to identify nouns easily in any sentence. A noun is the name of a person, place, animal, thing, or even an idea. It's one of the most important building blocks of English grammar. Let's understand with some examples you'll easily relate to. Rahul, teacher, Sachin, doctor, etc. are the examples of the name of persons. Delhi, school, temple, market, etc. are the examples of the name of places. Elephant, dog, cow, tiger, etc. are the examples of the name of animals. Book, pen, phone, table, etc. are the examples of the name of things. Love, honesty, freedom, anger, etc. are the examples of the name of ideas or feelings. So, whenever you see a name of someone, somewhere, something, or even a feeling, that's a noun. Can you spot the nouns in this sentence? Priya, book, and library, all are nouns. Alright, I'll show you a few sentences. Can you spot the nouns in them? Amit, mangoes, garden. All are nouns. The words dog and table are nouns. India, cricket, match. All are nouns. Great job! If you got all of them right, give yourself a pat on the back. And if you missed any, don't worry. Keep practicing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more easy English lessons.